Hello and welcome to the Pacific Education. Today we are celebrating the National Youth Day. Today in the video we have discussed about the significance of the National Youth Day 2022 or the Rashtriya Yuva Divas 2022. National Youth Day is celebrated on 12 January to highlight the youths who are the future of our country and to commemorate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, who always motivate the youth of the country and spoke about the right use of the youth in the development of the country. The main objective behind the celebration of the National Youth Day is to make a better future for the country by motivating the youths and spreading the ideas of the Swami Vivekananda. National Youth Day is also famous as Rashtriya Yuva Divas. Important key about the National Youth Day. National Youth Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. He was a social reformer, philosopher and thinker. The main objective behind the celebration is to propagate the philosophy and the ideals of Swami Vivekananda, for which he lived and worked. No doubt, he was a great inspiration for all national youth of India. It also marks his ideas on how the youth should participate in the modern world while upholding their values. This year marked the 25th National Youth Day and would be celebrated with various activities over 5 days. 25th National Youth Day Festival will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Puducherry through virtually. It is a 5-day 12 to 16 January 2022 festival, and the main aim is to increase bonding between the diverse cultures of the country, the unity of the nation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated a technology center while contributing towards skilling youth and will be able to train around 6,400 trainees per year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also inaugurated the Perun Thalaivar Kamarajar Mani Mandap auditorium constructed by the Puducherry government. The festival will be held virtually and the inauguration will be followed by a National Youth Summit that will aim to ignite and unite the youth towards nation building. National Youth Day History. The decision to celebrate Vivekananda's birthday as National Youth Day was taken in 1984 and it was first marked on January 12, 1985. The government had then said that the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda ji and ideals for which he lived and worked could be a great source of inspiration for the Indian youth. National Youth Day 2022 theme: It's all in the mind. National Youth Day 2021 theme: Channeling youth power for nation building. Some slogans of Swami Vivekananda: You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached. A man is not poor without a rupee, but a man is really poor without a dream and ambition. Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually and spiritually, reject as poison. We are what your thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary, thoughts live, they travel far. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Do not wait for anybody or anything. Do whatever you can. Build your hope on none.